So I was just comparing these palettes. To me, look almost identical, except clearly this one, the quality doesn't look as good, but I still love this palette from Beauty Bakery. It's the Chosen Bun, and I'm pretty sure, but I'm not 100% sure, but this was, like, if you bought it at retail value, it would be 38 bucks. And then the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyes palette is, I think it was $68. And on the back I read it, but when I was opening this up, it says, I created my Ethereal Eyes shadow palette after years of dreaming up the perfect color story. All 12 shades are inspired by tones, sorry I'm like shaking, tones in nature, and the array of textures work in harmony to create effortless ethereal looks. Mario. And so it looks like this. Nice, and it's heavy. Simple, sleek, white, and then you pop it open, and then there's like a protective covering on the mirror, which I don't want to remove yet. And these are the 12 shades, which are so similar to the Beauty Bakery Chosen Bun palette, but the shimmery ones here are so much prettier. I'm going to try this and do an eye look with this palette. I just put on some, took a shower, washed my hair, set my hair up, you know, for now. And I put on my face serum from Dr. Sturm and my Laneige Blue Water Bank. I think that's what it's called. I always forget. Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. And I put on some eye primer from Pat McGrath on my chapstick, which I need to reapply. And I also did my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Gel. And that's it. So, yeah. Got my water, got my chapstick. And got some brushes, I think. I only have a little bit of brushes here. So what I'm going to do is, oh shoot, pretend I didn't do that. I'm going to use this. Oh my god, I almost broke this. So close. I am too clumsy. I can't. I am going to start. I don't know if I'm going to use every single color here, but I'm going to use a lot of them probably with something just to like set my eyes, get them started. So I'm going to go in with this one. They don't have any names, but it's this one with this brush from SMS Glam. I've got like a ton of them now. And go over my entire eye space on both sides. Hey, Blue, you tell me.
Oh. Scanning some colors.
Then I'm going to go with this one. This side's starting to water. It's like irritated. I'm going to go in with this color. Okay, then I'm going to go in with, this one's really pretty. I'm going to switch brushes up. I'm going to use this one. And we're going to go in with this one, which has like different colored flecks in it. Before we use a shimmer shade. Oh, windy. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm like kind of like smoke out the edge. The faces I make when I do my eye makeup, it's ridiculous. Woo! Don't worry, we can clean it up. And then I'm gonna go on with, I love all these. We're gonna do this one here with my finger. Oh, I should have done swatches. I'm gonna do that too. On, oh, I think I just touched the wrong one. On the outer corner, like the outer portion of my eyelid. Huh. And then we'll do the same thing. I'm gonna try to do the same thing on this eye. I was doing it accidentally dipped into the wrong one. And I'm gonna go in with the lightest one that looks like the lightest up here with my other finger. I'm trying to give you the finger. It's kind of champagne-y. All right. We're gonna don't do the swatches next. So we're gonna swatch this one that I used first. It's chalky. Going down my arm. Can you see it? I don't know. Just put the light on, and then we're gonna go in with. We're gonna go down, up and down. I think. I should compare this to the other one, the one from Beauty Bakery. Oh wait, we're gonna go the other direction. It's a good thing I'm wearing a towel. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, trying to leave my bracelet down. Wow, that one's really rich. I didn't even use that one. Did I use this one? No, I didn't. Okay. And then the last one is this one. Let's put this down. I have to take a picture because it lasts longer.